Amelia, welcome to my channel, Mika Creates. I'm Mika, thanks for stopping by. Today I have Jollibee. Woo! So Jollibee is a Filipino fast food restaurant, and there's one here in Anaheim, California. That's where I stopped by. And I've had Jollibee before, and I liked it. Their spaghetti's kind of a trip, but I like it. So today I got their like steak patties with chicken. Oh, you can't see it. You can't see it. There we go. And I've got there we go. And I've got their spaghetti. Their spaghetti. I've got some French fries. I love French fries. And I also got this fiesta platter, and it has, whoa, more chicken. Has 2 pieces of chicken and palabok, I think that's what it's called, some noodles, and it comes with like a slice of a boiled egg, you see that? And I don't know what's in here, assuming it's probably like gravy or something. Let's see. Gravy, got some gravy, boo. Got some gravy. Okay, so we have some gravy, and then I also got this peach mango pie. I haven't tried that, but we're gonna try it today. So, I kind of want to start off, I haven't tried their fried chicken. I'm not a huge chicken girl, except for when I went to Ohio and there was this fried chicken place that was, I can't even remember what it was called, but it was bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Alright, so let me try this piece of chicken. Jollibee. Crispy. Good. It's good. I wonder if you can see that. Alright. I want to put some gravy on this chicken. Chicken piece. Right. Good. Very nice. Very, very nice. The chicken is actually pretty darn good. It's super moist. So, it's good. Dip the french fry in the gravy. I really like the gravy. What happened to my chicken? What did I do with it? I didn't eat that piece of chicken already? The heck? Oh. I put it back here. I'm tripping. See this chicken? My little girl Lola, my 4-legged baby, she's right underneath the table. praying to God that I dropped this. For you or me? It's good. It's good chicken, really. I'm surprised. Mm-hmm. This chicken's really good. I'm really surprised. I don't normally like fast food fried chicken. Once in a while I'll go to Popeyes. That's good. That was a good recipe. I'm going to move on to other things, but I really wanted to try that chicken. Fries are good too. They're skinny fries. I like skinny fries. Alright. I want to try the steak patty. I wish there was like rice or something underneath it. Hope you guys can see this. So there's mushrooms on the top. I didn't know what it was, but it's mushrooms. So it looks like a hamburger. Mmm. You know what it's like? It's like a super tasty Salisbury steak. This would go perfect with white rice. Mm-hmm. It's just like a Salisbury steak. You know the banquet Salisbury steaks that you put in the oven? I grew up eating those. I actually really like it. It pairs well with the gravy. The gravy seems like it's different. Tastes different. There's the mushroom. That's kind of interesting that they put a mushroom on top at a fast food place, you know? Mmm. It needs white rice though. Okay, that's good. Now, they gave me lemon juice. I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to put the lemon juice on. So if any of you guys know, I'd really like to know, because I have no idea what it's for. Alright, so I really want, maybe it's for this, I think it's P-A-L-A-B-O-K. That's, if my memory serves me correctly. See that? It's got the A right there. Anyway, we're going in. Going in. I actually want to cut this, because this is bothering me. Ooh. There. Now you can see it. All right. So how's everybody doing? Today was my last day of work. Today's Friday. You're probably not going to get this till tomorrow, Saturday. Okay, so these noodles are super thin. They look like rice noodles. And there's like some ground beef kind of stuff, or ground pork. It looks like ground pork. And there's little scrimps. See that? Some scrimps. There's 2 pieces of, oh, 3 pieces of scrimp. So I'm just going to mix this whole thing up. I don't know. I have a feeling though, oh, there's 2 pieces of egg. I have a feeling though I'm supposed to put the lemon on this because I can't imagine putting the lemon on the Salisbury steak or the steak patty. All right, I'm going in. Oh. I just ate something really, really crunchy. And I think it was like chicharrones, like crispy pork skin. It's all right. Nothing to write home about. It's not spicy or anything. This has to be doctored up. I'm definitely not a fan. I'm gonna go for it. And I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon to it. If you're Filipino and I'm doing this wrong, and you feel disrespected, I apologize. That is not my intention. I'm just trying to figure out if this helps the taste at all. So far, this is not my cup of tea. Chicken, though. It feels like it's missing something, you know? All right, this is my last bite of this because I'm not too crazy about it. All right. Enough of that. I'm shipping this out. And I'm moving this in. Now this spaghetti, if you haven't had Jollibees before, this spaghetti is not like American spaghetti. It's sweeter. So I'm just going to move this around. They have cheese on top of here and hot dogs. And like cut up little ham, I think. Woo. All right, I think I've mixed it pretty well. So the hot dog and spaghetti doesn't bother me. My mom used to make spaghetti and put Vienna sausages in it. I don't know why, but it's all right. Like I said, it's a little sweeter, so if you added sugar on your spaghetti, I do like how their noodles are cooked. Al dente. So all this stuff is okay. The chicken's banging. Salisbury steak is on point, and the gravy. And the fries. One more bite. So I'm sharing this with you so you know what to get and what not to get. However, You may try it and end up liking that Pilot Books thingamajigger. Go Dodgers. We won last night. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Go Dodgers. I didn't get a drink. I just realized I want to finish up this chicken. So, like I was saying, today's was my last day of work. I'm off for the next 2 months. And I'm so happy. So after I do this video, I am gonna get ready to pack, because we're going on our 7-day cruise. But before I tell you about our 7-day cruise, let me just tell you that my son graduated from high school on Wednesday. Today's Friday. And it was the happiest that I've seen that boy in a while. I mean, he just had a grin ear to ear. And I think it's because he felt a sense of his own accomplishments. Hard work pays off. And I'm so proud of him. I can't talk too much about it because I'll cry. But if you're watching this and you're in high school and you're struggling, don't give up. I promise you that it pays off. My boy was so happy. After the ceremony, we ended up, we made reservations at a restaurant and ordered pasta and pizza and all kinds of goodies. His family and friends showed up for him. A shout out to Matt, my husband, Christina, her parents, her partner, Kalani, and his little brother. I'm saying his little brother because I don't want to say his name. I'm not sure if it's okay. So all the people that showed up, my goddaughter Emmy, Anna, Lisa, Mally, Ashlita, big shout out to my cousin Lalo, Brenda, Jonathan. You guys are something special. Something special. My boy invited like 4 of his friends, and they had a great time. My best friend and my nephew flew out from Vegas. So very, 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 did I say very? Because I mean very thankful that people showed up for him. And the people that will celebrate him on the ship friend Rochelle. Shout out to Rochelle, Tracy, Rosie, Renee, Ashlita, Annabelle, her 2 kids. I don't want to say their names because they're minors and I'm not sure if it's okay for me to say that. I don't have their permission. You guys know who you are. My cousin Lalo and his family, my best friend and her family. I hope I'm not forgetting anybody. There was like 25 of us going. Brandon. I really hope I didn't forget anybody. And my friend Lindsay. So we're all going on this cruise. And we're leaving tomorrow. So let me tell you about the cruise. My little dumper. Carnival Splendor out of Long Beach. 7 days. 3 ports. Mazatlan, Cabo San Lucas, and Puerto Vallarta. It's going to be off the chain. I've been on that cruise a couple times. And I'll tell you what. You have fun, relax. Moms, if you've never been on a cruise, you should absolutely go on a cruise. Let's say that because as a mom having children, anytime we go on vacation, I'm always cooking or picking up or always. It's like it's so much fun, but it's work. Not on a cruise. The kids are in their own room. My husband and I have our own room. And make your bed in the morning and turn it down at night. With food, I don't have to cook. And so my boy is now 18 years old, so he can get to his cabin whenever he wants. All the kids will meet us for dinner, and after that they're on their own on the ship. So there's just a lot of freedom. I don't have to worry. Just good. Notice I started with the fork and now I'm with my hands. I love eating with my fingers. Mushroom. For fast food, the steak patty, chicken, and fries. I do it again. Absolutely. Bring up the spaghetti. So they have a whole bunch of excursions. Like when you get to, let's say, Mazatlan, and the ship pulls up to the port, there's a whole bunch of things to do. could pre-book your excursions or just go. Now, I'm not going on any excursions just because I've been to pretty much many of them. I'm not interested in the others. But here's the tip. When you port, in other words, when you get to one of your 3 locations, and everybody else is getting off the ship, guess what they do? They lower the prices of like massages and facials and acupuncture. So guess what Mama's gonna do? Yep. Massage. That's right. While my son is snorkeling, or jet skiing, or whatever excursion he decides to do because they still haven't made up their mind, I'm going to be getting me a massage. There's so many things to do on the ship. For those of you that are in recovery, I want you to know that there's meetings of Alcoholics Anonymous on that ship. So good. You don't have to do AA. You could be an NA, CA, whatever A. But I'm saying if you want to get together with some people that are doing the same thing you are, that's what it is. And it's called Friends of Bill. And if you're on the ship and you drink too much and you think maybe you're an alcoholic, go to one of those meetings and find out if you are. There it is. You can even get sober on a ship. Imagínate. Imagine that. Alright, I want a little bit of this chicken. This is crispy. I just took all the skin off. Dang. There we go. That chicken is very moist. That's really surprising. It has good flavor too. Fast food. Who wouldn't know? Now, I did a 3-day to Ensenada. I didn't like it. Now, if you want a party ship, where it's like party non-stop, go on a 3-day. Ships are smaller. Most people do that because they just want to party. 7-day, it's more like family oriented because it's 7 days. That doesn't mean people don't party on the ship. Of course they do. But it's not as hectic as party, you know. A lot of families. This chicken is good. And it tastes good in the gravy. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm really surprised, actually. This tastes like somebody's mama's chicken. Not my mama. My mama made chicken different. She would season the chicken with some seasoning salt and then put it to fry. Not deep fry, pan fry. We never used a deep fryer. Mmm. Chicken skin. Crunchy. Okay. Now, I want to try the dessert. Okay, so this is just my opinion. Spaghetti's interesting. I like it because it's different. I wouldn't be able to eat it all day long. The burger steak or the patty steak, bomb. But you need some white rice. Very flavorful, like strong flavor. Chicken, bacon. And if I'm pronouncing this right, hala bok. It wasn't my favorite. This was a fail for me. You may eat it and go, wow. You may eat the spaghetti and go, oh my gosh, this is the best spaghetti I've ever had. Not me. It's just different. So, let's move in to dessert. Now, I'm not a huge sweet girl, but I had to try it. I do love, McDonald's used to make apple pie. Ooh. McDonald's used to fry their apple pies. Apple pies taste different. I think they bake them now. But this bad boy looks fried. Go in it. Ooh, it's crispy. I just got the dough. I didn't get anything from the inside yet. Mmm. This is actually really good dough. It's thin, it's not thick, super crispy on the outside. A hint of sweet. I got a little bit of the inside. What is this again? Peach mango. I have a feeling this center is going to be too sweet. Mmm. You know what? It's really good. I'm really feeling this. I have some almond milk too. Sacrifices. Mmm. Mmm. This is excellent. Super excellent. Normally, I don't like these kind of pies because they're super, super sweet. The crust isn't very sweet. They know what they're doing. There's a couple little things on their menu that I haven't tried that I want to try. But these are the things that I got today. This is really good. I'll definitely get this again. enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Now, I'm going to attempt to vlog on the cruise, but I have to say, the last time I vlogged, it didn't work out too well. That's something I really got to study and figure out, because the last time I vlogged, like I said, it did not work out well. So, with that being said, I'm going to try to vlog some bits and pieces of the cruise, just to kind of share with you a celebration. And I really enjoyed this lunch, some of it, most of it. I hope you enjoyed watching me experiment. And again, welcome to my channel. Subscribe and share this with all your friends and family. My goal is to get up to 1,000 subscribers. And I think we can do it. Anyway, until next time, familia, thank you for your support. I'll see you soon. Bye. And I'll be on a cruise. Bye.